Hi, my name's Steve Mascarin. I'm a dentist, owner, operator, and I'm pretty heavy into the business side too. I've got about 25 associates that work for me in my 3 offices. I just want to give a huge shout out to Design Ergonomics and Gabe Pearlman. He designed my last office, and he did such an amazing job with what he had to work with. It was a very small space. It was 1,900 square feet, and I said, everybody else I talked to said, look, you can only get 5 or 6 ops in there, and I said, no, there's got to be a way. So I engaged Gabe, and he did such a perfect job. He got 7 operatories in there, and they weren't just hygiene operatories, full-size operatories. We cut those spaces here and there, and man, here we are a couple of years later. That office is producing $100,000 a chair per month. And a lot of it has to do with the way it's laid out. It's so patient-friendly and so easy to get around. So I highly recommend dealing with these guys. They really know what they're doing more than anybody else. I mean, the typical thing is you hire your supply company, your the sundries company, to lay out your office, and they boilerplate everything. They really don't put a lot of thought or care into what your needs are, but Gabe will. So thanks, Gabe.